Hello everybody, my name is Victor Alexander Pulgari Montoya. I am 18 years old. I live in Cartago Valle. I am a student of Cotecnova Agreement with Secar. I am a student English degree. Today I am going to talk about my weekly routine before the quarantine. Okay, let's start. The days Monday to Friday, I sometimes get up at 7 or 8 a.m. I catch my cell phone until 9 a.m. answer message and playing games. At night 10 a.m. I brush my teeth. I have the breakfast at 9:20. At at 9:40 a.m. I take a shower. At 10 a.m. I start to organize my post of cholados. I am independent worker. I had I have to lunch at 11:30 a.m. I brush my teeth at 11:50 a.m. I always go out with the post of cholados at 12 p.m. until 7 p.m. I probably take a free day in the week. Um, at 7:30 I come back to my house. I brush my teeth at 7:45 p.m. I sometimes have the dinner at 7 p.m. or just didn't eat. I always go to bed at 10 a.m. but I almost always go to sleep at 12 and 1 a.m. Okay, that's Saturday. Saturday is a free day for me. That day I get up at 11 a.m. I brush my teeth at 11:30 a.m. I never have the breakfast. I seldom have this lunch at 12 p.m. I almost uh, always have the lunch at 2 p.m. I brush my teeth at 2:20. At 3 p.m. I always go to meet by Zoom, it's studying English, until 4 p.m. After I start to play in my cell phone until the time to have the dinner at 8 p.m. At 8:20 I brush my teeth. After I go to sleep at 10 p.m. but I go to sleep at 20 a.m. Okay, next. Sunday. Sunday I always get up at 5:30 a.m. I brush my teeth at 6 a.m. At 6:10 a.m. I start to organize my post 8 for the start to work start to work at 9 a.m. At 7:30 I have to the breakfast. After I go to work a bike away. I come back to my house at 12:30 p.m. I have the lunch at 1 p.m. After at 2 p.m. again go out to work but in another place called Isleta until at 6 p.m. At 7 p.m. I always go to church. I am Catholic until at 8 p.m. I have I have the dinner at 8:30 p.m. After I often go to bed and sleep at 10 p.m. Thank you.